So guys, I'm going to be doing a hairstyle video, and my hair is brown right here because I just put water on it, and I'm going to let it sit for a while. So under that, it looks kind of cute, and yeah, you guys, it looks a lot browner to you guys. It looks, my hair over here is brown, but it's just there, brown, and I'm gonna be doing a hairstyle video. So I got this. I do this. There's the new hairstyle. Bye! Click the notifications, give a huge thumbs up. Make sure to click my channel, subscribe to see more. Bye!